What is up guys, and welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can use the Facebook quiet mode. So let's start this video by launching the Facebook app. When the app is launched, tap on the three bars on top right corner. Then scroll down. Tap on Settings and Privacy. And here you will see the option Your Time on Facebook. Now you have to tap on Your Time on Facebook. Now swipe left. And then tap on Schedule Quiet Mode. Here first you have to tap on the toggle to turn on quiet mode. Here you can select up to 6 days time. And you can also select minutes. I'll just set this time to 1 hour. You can also schedule quiet mode if you want to. All you have to do is tap on the toggle to activate it. Now I'll just activate the schedule mode to show you. You can set up a start time. All you have to do is set the time and then tap on apply. And you can also set an end time. You can also set the days of a week. And then go back. And your schedule is ready. Now all you have to do is turn off the Facebook app. And then reopen the app. And you will see a window like this. And this window will block you to enter the Facebook app. And that is how you can use the quiet mode on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.